Okay, thank you for the time that given to me. Ladies and gentlemen, talking the honorable chief adjudicator and also the other participant, based on the emotion that already been released for us, that's talking about this house beliefs that the developing countries should require foreign companies operating in its territory to have a minimum quota of hiring local workers. Ladies and gentlemen, talking about the developing countries, that we have known that developing countries, which are countries that have not reached yet and achieved a significant degrees of industrialization relative to their population. We can also say that this is the real comparison between the advanced country and also developing countries, in which the developing countries having has the less of income, for example, less of number of industrialization rather than to the advanced countries. For example, we can say that Indonesia and some other countries like India, also like Guyana, like Vietnam, like Thailand, and other companies that other countries that still in process going to their purpose to be as an advanced countries. Ladies and gentlemen, based on the motion, beside of the circumstances of developing countries, we need to know also that is talking about the foreign companies. Foreign companies, which are the companies that come not from the local area of the country, but it is invited from the outside, and then they come to have they have the official contract of the mutual cooperation, in which that they should give the benefits for the companies. And then we need also to know that the third variable of the motion that is talking about local workers. Local workers, it means that the employee that is hired from the local and the society in which that the companies be operating in the country. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to bring this motion under the current status quo that we want to bring the case that should be debatable in this case. First, that is talking about developing countries need the foreign companies, because it talks about its process of advancing all the needs in aspect of, for example, economic, education, and also talking about the level of prosperity in its country itself. Ladies and gentlemen, developing countries need the help from the others. Why? Because developing countries should learn and also have mutual cooperation with advanced countries, because they need in process to gain and also to learn how the advanced countries can make their country become advanced and more. And also talking about the strategy in economic and other aspects that should be learned by the developing countries. However, ladies and gentlemen, it is also important to see that many foreign companies are fulfilling by the foreign workers, because it talks also about the leader and also the regulation in the certain foreign companies. The foreign companies will come to a certain country, and it is definitely ruled by the leader of the foreign companies. However, ladies and gentlemen, some companies in Indonesia like Unilever, Asa International, and also some for example, like L'Oreal and also some foreign companies, the number of workers inside of those companies is fulfilled by the foreign workers. However, ladies and gentlemen, one of the duty of the government is trying to have to give the protection and also to increase the level of prosperity for the society. How come the foreign countries can come and take the benefits in our local area, but we can do something that can give the benefits for our local area? It means that we would like to specify this is talking about minimum quota of local hiring of the workers. And then we are going also to increase the probability of having good level of prosperity and society due to the circumstances of developing countries. It talks also about the poverty and poor. So therefore, ladies and gentlemen, the government should increase the level of the prosperity in society, either in economic, in education, and so on. And therefore, it is also as a way for helping foreign companies due to the social interaction and also language barriers. Ladies and gentlemen, therefore, based on the motion, we are going to propose the argumentation that is talking about first the comparison of foreign workers and also with the local jobless people. Ladies and gentlemen, the number already said us the data that from January to May 2021, the foreign workers already been recorded that 15,760 people. However, ladies and gentlemen, if we try to compare it with the data that says that 8.75 million people are jobless, and there is no job that they can do. Ladies and gentlemen, if you would like to see this comparison, one of the duty in the government that is talking about in how to decrease the number of the jobless people. Therefore, if it is compared with the number of the foreign workers, it is very possible for us to give the chance that the jobless people can work in the foreign companies. Ladies and gentlemen, we need also to come to the second of all, that is talking about foreign companies under your control. Ladies and gentlemen, we need to have the reflection from the foreign companies of in the Papua, for example. So the free companies that is talking about Freeport, in which that actually the problem is talking about foreign companies which is invited to the Indonesia. However, ladies and gentlemen, because of less control of the government to control the foreign companies, they become like having regulation that cannot be touched by the government. Therefore, we need to avoid that one. And then, ladies and gentlemen, continued, we need to learn more and also to learn how advanced countries already regulated their companies, because since advanced countries are actually based from the developing countries, and then when the invited foreign companies come to them, they try to give the regulation. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, what are some solutions that we are going to make so the implementation of making regulation, the hiring local companies can be conducted well. Firstly, that is talking about regulation. We need to make regulation of minimum quota of hiring local workers. So there are some comparison in which the foreign workers and also the local workers can work in a certain company. And then second of all, there will be rewarding for foreign countries which local workers can be hired, as it is also already proven that ruling the lesser certain amount of tax will contribute to companies' income. Therefore, the companies will interest to hire local workers and also apply this regulation. And then even though the quota of local workers is ruled, but the maximum of foreign workers still give the freedom for their companies. Ladies and gentlemen, as a conclusion, we need to remind that the local workers as employees that should be hired in certain foreign companies is very important, because in the increasement of jobless in 2021 is 1.82 million, and also in 2020 it is 6.93 million. So therefore, we stand proposed to the motion that foreign companies should hire the local workers. Thank you.